All right, welcome to another beautiful day as we continue on this topic, inequality. Please, if this is your first time in our channel, kindly go and watch our previous video on inequalities. Okay, let's solve this question. 2y minus 5 less than 3. So what do we do here? We collect like terms as usual. So we have 2y less than 3. When this minus 5 crosses this inequality sign, it changes to plus 5. So we now have 2y less than 3 plus 5 is 8. So what is the next thing to do here? We divide both sides by the coefficient of what? Y, which is 2. So we now have, therefore, 2y over 2 less than 8 over 2. So we're 2 here, 1, 2, divide these two, 1. So leaving what? Y less than 2 divide itself, 1, and 2 divide it, 4. So our final answer is y less than 4. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Watch and share. Also like. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you.